What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video of Fishing with Tito. Today I'm gonna be doing some crappie fishing down here on my favorite road. Got my 8-foot ACC crappie stick with me. Make sure y'all like, share, comment, and subscribe. I got my bobble on here. I got my black and chartreuse jig. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Make sure you ring the notification bell. Make sure you like my video and share it. Also follow me on TikTok at Fishing with Tito. Follow me on YouTube. Follow me on Instagram at Fishing with Tito, and also follow me on Facebook at Tito West. See y'all on the next video. Y'all stay tuned. Hey, you guys, I'm for to switch these jigs out to catch more. We're gonna use this sour grape, you guys. They go to the website right there, catchmorefish.net. Use my code Fishing with Tito and get your 20% off your order. You use this sour grape. Get it put on here, you guys. See if they hit this sour grape out here. This is my first time using these jigs, you guys. And also, we're gonna throw a crappie nibble on there with them. Like I said, they will shut off on you down here. They will shut off on you. And plus, it done warmed up. It done warmed up to like 67 degrees. $67, y'all. We got Fishing with Keys right here. Make sure y'all go over there and subscribe to her. So if I get one, y'all stay tuned. I'll bring y'all back. Catch me one of these big crop whoppies out of here. Somebody done lost a whole lot of brand new corks out here. That's all you see is orange corks everywhere. Just popping that cork, y'all. We got some new jigs I'm gonna try down here, catching more. You gonna try them new jigs? I'm just fishing with this black and chartreuse first. See if we can't get a hit. See if we can't get a nice takedown. Sometimes they normally hit it up here around this tree right here. This is the favorite tree right here, that big tall tree right there. See where my cork bouncing it? Normally they hit it right there. But these fish are right here at this lake right here, they particular. They real particular. They'll shut off on you. They'll bite early in the morning, and then they'll slow down. In the evening time, they'll come back and they'll start back biting in the evening time. So they will stop on you. They will stop on you. And there is another lake across the road, but we can't fish it because it's so covered up in green moss, as y'all can see. Yep, I done lost plenty of corks out here too. Ooh, something just turned over right there by that tree. Something big. You got it? What happened? Yeah, what's up, y'all? Y'all know I gotta try every little water hole I see, y'all. It's a little ditch right here. We'll see if any crappie in there. Got the car park right there. See if we can. Got the ACC crappie stick out. Got it folded up. Got that sour grape on there. Every little hole I see, I'm stopping. Fishing. Because you know what? Crappie come through there. So, don't know how deep it is. Never fished here before. Come on. Don't y'all hate that? When y'all be trying to anxiously get somewhere and fish and the line get tangled up. There we go, we got it. We off on the side of the road fishing. Whoa, don't want to lose my keys out of my pocket. See if any crappie land up here in this hole. Oh, there go some corks in there, so you know somebody been fishing over here. There go worm tubs and all. There go worm tubs and all, you guys. See if any crappie in here. See that worm tub right there? Nightcrawler tub. We was getting ready to leave, go to another spot, so I seen this water. So I said, it's probably promising. Pop it right here in front of that drainage ditch. So whenever y'all see some creeks and y'all don't see no sign that say no fishing or see no trespassing, make sure y'all stop there and try that ditch out or that creek out. Like I said, I'm standing on the side of the road, look. Trying to hit them back roads. Come on here, don't do that. Make sure y'all like, share, comment, and subscribe. Oh, it is somebody been fishing here. Look at all up in it on the power line up there. I don't know how good y'all can see that. Look at all them power, them things up there. We're gonna see. Right there, that'll get it. Make sure y'all like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Make sure y'all ring the notification bell so as soon as I drop a video, you guys will be notified. We'll see y'all on the next video. Peace. Thanks for watching Fishing with Tito. A little small crappie, took it down on the sour grape. Little bitty baby. Got another one, you guys. Another baby one. Where the big ones at? Got another one. A little bigger. A little bigger. Oh, he taking it, he taking it. Oh, I missed him. Pulled it a little too hard, you guys. Pulled it a little too hard. They loving that sour grape. They liking that sour grape so far, without any crappie nibbles on there. The wind is coming towards me.